Hey, I'm Rebecca. This is Body Illumination. Welcome. This is part of the morning series that I have been desperately attempting to do for you all. So the series is basically so you get out of bed in the morning and you do a 10 to 20 minute workout of Pilates and yoga, or just Pilates or just yoga. And it's about just opening up the spine, opening up the heart and the body. Well, I've had some challenges. I had this delusional idea that I would do it outside, and it's been pretty chilly outside.
My feet are a little numb, so I don't know if this is quite as effective. As my mom would call it, mudandis on. Did you see that? Can you see my breath? It's chilly.
Had some challenges with the change in time, so it was pretty dark when I attempted to do it again. Then there was also the issue with Bachi, my cat, getting in the camera and knocking everything.
Press and bend and press and bend. Bachi, can you get out of the way? Push my pumpkin pie.
Some crazy, really wild weather.
It's a short practice. I really encourage you to try to get outside if you have that opportunity to get those vitamin D rays into you, the monoterpenes from any trees that might be around here. And it feels just wonderful. The negative ions, wherever you are, if you're near water or beach, or even if you're in the city, it's really invigorating.
Oh gosh, it's snowing. That came out of nowhere. But I'm here, and we are going to have this wonderful series for you, so check it out.
All done.
All done.
That wasn't so hard, was it?